How to turn on or turn off Handoff on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on General. After that, we scroll down and tap on AirPlay and Continuity. Now go down and tap on Handoff. Tap on the toggle button to turn off, switch on Handoff. And let's say that Handoff lets you start something on one device and instantly pick up on other devices using your iCloud account. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key, swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.